Let's see how to find specific or recurring words in Microsoft Word and how to highlight them. Now, first we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, for example, we are working with a pretty long document and we want to highlight certain words that occur throughout the document. Now, what we can do is go over to the Home tab right here and click on Replace under Editing and click on Find here. Now, search for the word that you want to. So, for example, let's just search for the first word in the dummy text. Now, click on Find and click on Highlight All. And as you can see, all of those words have been highlighted. And as you can see now, you can see all of those words that you searched for. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.